All right, boys and girls, today we have a different paper we're going to be doing for math. It's called I Can Graph the Shapes. So for this paper, you're going to need your pencil and you're going to need your crayons. So go ahead and get them out and we'll get started on this super fun graphing paper today. Okay, up here at the top, it says name. So I'm going to write my name up on the top. You write your name. And then we're going to, it says the directions are to count and color each shape and then graph the correct number. So the first thing I'm going to do is get out a crayon and I'm going to pick pink because I like pink, and I'm going to color all the circles pink. So color the circles pink. Oh, there's another one. Okay, so I'm looking for my circles, and I think I got all of them. Let me do another check. Don't see any more circles. But down at the bottom here, I'm going to color this circle down here pink too, just so we know that we're looking for pink circles. So what we're going to do now is I want you to take out a black crayon, or a very dark crayon. It doesn't have to be black, but black works very well. And we're just going to write the numbers inside. We're going to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many circles did we on the front? There's 5. So now down here, we're going to color in 5 of these squares. We're going to start at the bottom because it goes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to color in 5 of these squares pink. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. So the next one, now I'm going to be looking for rectangles. And remember, rectangles are longer on one side than the other, than squares. So this time I think I'll use violet red. And I'm going to color all the rectangles violet red. It's a little bit darker than the pink, okay? So let's go through and find the rectangles. Here's one. Here's one. Here's one. Oh, let's see, that's a square, that's a square, that's a square. Nope, here's one. Remember, the rectangles are longer on one side than the other, and the square is the same on all the 4 sides. So that's a square. This is a rectangle because it's longer. And one more little one way over here. All right, let's do a second check here and make sure. I think I got all the rectangles. So now I'm going to get out my black crayon again. Now I'm going to count the rectangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have 6 rectangles, so I have to come down here and I have to start at the bottom, and I'm going to color in 6 of these rectangles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Uh-oh, my light went out. Let me turn the light on. 4, 5. Now we're the same as the circles, but there's one more rectangle than there are circles, so we have to go up to 6. All right, now we're going to do triangles. Let's do triangles blue. So triangles have 3 sides and 3 points. So let's color our triangles. I'm coloring them blue, a light blue. Remember, if I color too fast, you can always pause your computer and then you can catch up with me, okay? Don't get frustrated because you can't color as fast as me. I've had a lot of time. I've been in kindergarten for 20 years. 20 years of teaching kindergarten. So I'm pretty good at coloring now. All right, let's count our triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to color in 4 of these down here above. Oh, and I'm going to color this triangle too, so it matches. So I'm going to color 4 of these rectangles. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, now I'm going to let you do the squares all by yourself. So you have to color the squares a different color, and then you have to color that one and color in how many of the rectangles there are. And I know you guys can do it because you have been excellent counters and you've learned a lot. All right, good job, boys and girls.